How to copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can copy and paste a message on WhatsApp. For that, launch open WhatsApp. Now you want to open the conversation where you want to copy the message. Simply tap and hold on the message. Now you might find a copy icon at the top. If you find it, select that. If not, then you want to tap on these three dots. Now you will find the option of copy. Tap on that. Here it says message has been copied. Now if you want to paste it, tap on this message box. Now you can simply tap on this clipboard option over here and that's going to paste your message. Otherwise, you can tap and hold here and you will find the paste option. Select that. As you can see, the message has been pasted, so simply send it in this way. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.